Besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. All this craze these days with the teenagers about their Stanleys. And in today's video, I'm gonna make a cute gift for a teenager's birthday with the flowers and a favorite cup. What do you think? I think it's gonna be a nice surprise, and I'm gonna show you how easy you can do it.
And in the second part of the video, I'm going to show you a fun gift idea for a teenage boy. The essentials for an 18-year-old. Wait until you see it. All right, so you're going to need a Stanley cup or any other favorite cup, and flowers from grocery store, and maybe some from your garden, and the greenery. I got some peony leaves here, and as well as some hostas.
Yes, Coco. Yes. Coco wants to say hi. Say hello, my besties. Hello, my besties. Coco got a new haircut today. Yes, for the summer she was getting so hot.
Open up the cup and decide what to do with the lid. You can either slide it to the side or tape it on the outside. I think I'm going to try taping it for now. Fill the cup with water and wait a minute, I cannot use these chemicals in there. This is bad stuff if we want to use the cup for drinking. I think vodka will be better. It also kills the germs and will keep the flowers fresh. Just a little bit. Give me some drink emojis if you agree. And next we are going to add our greenery. Make a nice green base for the flowers. It's always a good idea to add more than one type of greenery. It's just more texture. And I don't like to pay for greenery in a grocery store, so I always look outside. What can I find? What's in season, you know? The green base is very important because it supports your flowers. So fill it in nicely, okay? And there's the lid, tape on the outside, hidden under a leaf. And there's my beautiful peonies. I wonder if you have a garden and what is blooming right now. Please share, let me know. We are going to remove the leaves from the bottom and add the flowers in. I love adding flowers from my garden because not only it's cost saving, but also it's like, you know, really made it with love, right? You took care of them and watch them grow, and then you share with somebody special. It's more meaningful, right? I think so. And here's the beautiful lily. We are going to put it in the center. Let me show you. I like the center flower to be a little bit taller than the rest, so I think I'm gonna leave it like that. We are going to fill in with the daisies. We are going to add one on this side and one on the other. Who doesn't love daisies, right? Oh, so cute. Okay, always go back with some greenery, maybe some of these little filler flowers like hydrangeas, and fill in any empty spots that you might see or anything that needs to be balanced out. Okay, so cute. That white stripe really helps. How easy was that? You can do it, my bestie. Go ahead. Grab a cup and make your girl happy. Don't forget to sprinkle with water so it stays fresh. This makes such a great gift for a birthday, graduation, a thank you for the teacher, right? grab some tissue, cellophane, ribbon, and let's wrap this up. It's always good to have a second set of hands around like your mama. First, I wrapped the cup and then I made a bow and attach on top. Oh yes, I wind up making a whole bunch more, and I still keep getting more orders. The second gift idea for a bow, you want to grab this crate from a Dollar Tree. Look at this, for $1.25, what a great value this is, right? And then grab a whole bunch of essentials. And you want to pick things that he likes and also some things that are funny, like a food spray, a face mask, headache medicine, mints to improve the breath. Kids are obsessed with the prime drinks now, favorite candy and so on. At Marshall's, I found this boxer and socks set, the man, the meat, the legend. I thought that was funny, so I grabbed it. I also got a scratch-off ticket for good luck and a pack of condoms to embarrass him a little bit. And I also grabbed these chalk labels from the Dollar Tree, chalk marker, and I labeled everything, like for beauty, for headache, for freshness. And some categories you can tie together and just put a one label on them. And for a cherry on top, use a little wooden plaque. You can get it at a Dollar Tree, some stickers, and make a personalized plaque for the box. A ruler is helpful to space everything out and keep a straight line. And at the end, use a layer of Mod Podge to make sure everything stays in place and doesn't come off. For a bow, I'm just going to use some leftover ribbon tails that I'm going crisscross, pinch through the center, and tie together with a pipe cleaner. Real simple. All right, let's open up that crate and put the gift together. Can't get over how handy this is for $1.25. So cute. The plaque, we are not going to glue it because we want the crate to be reusable, right? We want it to collapse back later on. But we will put it up front with the cello wrap. We need to put some tissue paper first because I don't want my shred to fall out through the cracks. Here's the look at all the labels. Okay, let's wrap this up now. Put the plug up front. Let's tie it up with a bow, pipe cleaner in the back, and then just tape the sides over. This is it for today. Thanks so much for watching, my besties. Take care. Bye bye. Love you. See you next time.